Hey guys, so today it's supposed to be a rest day, but I'm gonna do a core instead, okay? I'm doing a really easy core workout, mainly focusing on mobility as well as strength. So I'm starting off with a bag. I'll show you. Starting off with a bag, and I do almost like a jerk with it. I'll show you later. Then I'm doing some crunches, and I'm doing reverse. I'm doing a lot of stuff, and then I'm doing twisty end. I don't know if this makes sense, but you find out as we go. But I will show you. It's very simple. There you go. Right. We're doing 10 on each side. On to our crunches, legs up, and I really want to focus on the lower core, lower abdominals. Then we'll do reverse crunches. Simple things you can do. Let me know how that works out for you. You do this, I would say you do 4 sets of these, and all is good. Okay? Enjoy!